Hello peeps and peepettes. Today I will be playing some Angry Birds. So let's use this. Let's beast out like our guy. Let's beast him out. Actually, I'm going to get a radius view. Look at that swagger. We J's, man. We J's. Yeah. So, probably in the next video, I will be doing something, I will be doing a video, like, it's a troll face video, it's not, it's be cool, it's be cool. Justy likey. Bam, bam, bam. Okay, now we have to knock these guys. No, don't let me waste all of it. Okay, good. Come on, dead bird. Yes, dead bird kills! This one extra got to spare. Okay, so yeah, we got a 2-star. Oh, why is life like this? Wow. Wow, that was like the best shot ever. I keep like being the best accuracy man ever in the whole entire world. Like I am the best of the best. Yes! Look at that fail. Look at that not fail. So please. Well, okay. No, not you, ads. You stupid ads. I hate you, ads. Okay. I hate you, ads. You're such idiots, ads. Come on, why did my screen go black? Why does this always happen? Okay. So. Bam! Burp. But I already killed him. No one took 2. Yeah, so I'm really good with the yellow birds. Because yellow birds are my birds. Yellow. The 3 stars on the tutorial level. Beast through this one. Boppity boopity dead. System. We saved you, birdie. You should be thankful with your life and give me 1,010 XP. Okay. Thank you for your givings. Can't be one off. It's very possible. Did I get a yes? Wow. Do I get 2 yes? For 1 screw up. You get 1 screw up and then you're done. Okay. If I can do this all. Earthquake. Thank you. You're so special, Earthquake. I love you. Okay. So, what we got here? Bam. Next. Break through the wood. Next. Stupid mosquitoes. I'm outside playing, so that's understandable. And I didn't even have to use my red bird. Yeah. So, and I don't get a 3 star. What is wrong with you, game? So, let's aim. Fire up. Okay, good. So now, I go bam. And it does not cave in. I go bam. I go last one. Under. Wow. Earthquake. Okay, sorry for the weird noises. But yeah. Stupid mosquitoes! I'm gonna hit you! So then, this. Yeah, that was it. So, yeah. After we beat this, we're done. Not done. Tell me if you want to keep seeing this, because I like Angry Birds. Me and my dad, we are Angry Birds, basically. So, wow. That was a waste of my last bird. Okay, let's restart this up. Let's give strength, killing, power, scoop Optimus. Okay. I didn't even have to use it. Oh, fudge. Fudge me. Hey, don't mess up my plans. You messed up it all. Now you will die. My life is a complete freaking failure. Let's do this. Nothing lives from that. Nothing in the world. All there's left is just like stones. 93, how dare you? Whoa. Whoa. Oh, 94, I'm getting better. I beat all 3 levels. Let's play this one again. Okay, let's see if I can actually kill it. I'm gonna spawn it on top, kill that guy. Just standing here being like, 82. So let's shoot this sucker up, light it up. Did I really just miss it? Whoa. Whoa, explosion. Look at that one cube. Now for the best time yet. No! Well, actually, the eggs lived. I should get in 100 for that. The eggs did live. Oh, 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 oh. What if I just, like, fling it off? If this kills them, I will, like, be like, eh. I will fling it that way. What the heck? That was even more effective than using it anyway else. What? Ugh. I like food. No one lived from that. 98. 80. How could you? So now I actually want to hit this. Perfect escort landing. Four things left. Oh, 100. Well, I Aw, thank you, handsome. Let's go. Did I just get an 100? I think I just got an 100. Yay! Yeah, boy. Okay, now I have to get all of it for this one. So, it's gonna be hard. So difficult. I think I just need to, like... Now, admit, that was probably the coolest. Fudge, go, fudge, go, fudgy, 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 fudge, go. Okay, this will kill it. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, I know what to do. I'm gonna edit this out so you guys don't have to watch. So after when I hit this guy and get the silver, the video will be ended. Okay, guys. No, I guess you guys didn't watch that. Not even that long, to be honest. If I don't get a yeah, good. Hopefully this will be enough. Please be enough. Please be enough. Okay, guys. So, yeah. We are done here.